These ventilators are manufactured in Canada by Area Brands Inc. and they are only available through their approved contractor network, but they only have an average guarantee. The Metro XTR models are compact units with side ports, a 150 CFM capacity, and they use temperature-activated supply fan shutdown for defrost. The 170 ERVD models have a 182 CFM capacity with top ports and use a recirculation damper for defrost operation. They have installer-selectable high-speed settings and variable speed fans for system balancing. The damper shuts off the outdoor air supply when the unit is not in use for energy savings. The units come with a standard MERV 6 filter but offer an optional MERV 13 filter which will improve the air quality. This brand receives an overall 2-star Don't Buy rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.